Hello, welcome back to another video here on my channel Charlie's Lessons, and in this video we're taking a look at Bamboozle's new board game Snakes and Ladders. If you're teaching children, then you know that games are one of the biggest parts of the classroom. And so this is why I wanted to review Bamboozle's new Snakes and Ladders game, because we've been playing it this week and our students love it. So to get started, all you need to do is go to Bamboozle's website and make an account. We just find a game that we'd like to play. Here I've got one on clothes, accessories and colors. So the first thing we have to do is choose how many teams. Now, it really depends on how many students you have in your classroom and how competitive they are. Remember to make sure that you're splitting up the groups into teams that are fair. If we make 4 teams, we get to choose between a cat, unicorn, another cat, and an elephant. But we can change the characters. We've got a fox and a cow. So I'm going to change this one to a robot, and I think I'm going to change one of the cats to something else. Let's do an alien, you know, because we want to be as diverse as possible. Let's just check out the options real quick. So one of the great things about this is that there are a lot of options here. So small game, sometimes if I've not got much time left in the class, I might choose a small game which just reduces the board. This one is really cool. So real dice. So if you do have dice in the classroom, then instead of rolling the virtual dice, which you'll see in a minute, you can actually have that off and use real dice. So that's a pretty cool option. Let's go to start. Okay, so Team 1 is going to go first, and just for the sake of this video, I'm going to turn off the music. So Team 1 is going to go first, and we just click on the dice, and let's see. Now, before we see what the dice rolled on, we have to answer this question. So, what colour and object is this? It's a pink t-shirt. I mean, I was going to say that. And I rolled a 6, of course. So you can see here we've got the snakes, which are actually pencils, and the rulers, which are the ladders, and the stars are these power-ups. Make sure that your students are using English to describe what's happening in the game. So what I mean is the meta language. So for example, whose turn is it? It's my turn, it's your turn, it's his turn, it's her turn. Who is winning? Who is losing? What number did you roll? So as you can imagine, I'm a big fan of Bamboozle. I've already made 2 videos on this website because whenever I'm walking through my school and I'm looking into the window and looking at what the students are doing in class, more often than not, the games that are being played are using Bamboozle.
Okay, good. Right, very good, David.
Okay, we need 3. Oh! I've got a tutorial video that goes over all the options that you have when you're using Bamboozle just right here. And I've got a second video which goes into some practical ideas on how to use Bamboozle in your classroom, which is just right here. Bamboozle has a lot of games that are free and a lot that are not free. So, how much would it cost for you to start playing Snakes and Ladders in your classroom tomorrow? If you pay for a whole year of Bamboozle, then it's going to cost you €3.99 a month. Or we could do €5.99 a month if you just want to pay monthly. And remember, this price does not only get you Snakes and Ladders, it gets you all of the other Bamboozle Plus options that are available. We could also play the new Double Vision game. We could play Story Dice, 4 in a row, or Connect 4. We can play Tic-Tac-Toe or Noughts and Crosses. We can play a memory game, bingo, you know. So it's not only Snakes and Ladders that comes with paying for Bamboozle. Thank you for watching this video on another great game site that you can use in your English language classroom. I'll see you in the next video.